Hello, good afternoon everyone. Here I have created one application by using Coding Genius workshop. I have attended Coding Genius workshop few days ago. I want to share my experience with you. My application name is My City Guide. In that, I have three places to go. I can create this application by using a course which sir has taught to me. First one is if I have to go to Shaniwar Wada, then I just have to click Shaniwar Wada over here, and it is showing me location of Shaniwar Wada, which is in Pune. Once I click on
The
Shaniwar
Shanawar
Wada,
Wada was normally the seven-story Capitol building of the
you
Peshwas
can
of the
see
Maratha
that
Empire.
there is a
It
picture
was
of
supposed to
Shaniwar
be
Vada,
made entirely
and
of
here
stone,
is
but
the
after the
location of
completion of
Shaniwar
the
Vada.
base floor or the
And the
first
lady
story,
behind
the people
who
of
is talking,
Satara, the national capital,
she is
complained to the
giving me the
Chhatrapati
information about
Shivaji
Shaniwar
Maharaj
Vada.
King, saying that a stone monument can be sanctioned and
Okay.
built only
Now
by the king
let's
himself
go to
and
the
not the
second spot,
Peshwas.
which is
Following,
Sarasbagh, which I like the
Sarasbagh is a
most.
major
So
landmark
here
in
is
the
the
city of
location of
Pune in India.
Sarasbagh, and
The
here is the
place where the
picture of
park now
Sarasbagh.
stands was once
Third one is
Agastha.
Shinde Chhatri. You
Shin
can
Chatri
see the
Maradi,
picture of Shinde
Singh
Chhatri
Chatri
over
at
here,
Wanawadi in
and
Pune,
also the
India is a
location on the
memorial
top.
dedicated to the
So
18th
this is
century
my
Maratha military
application. I
leader
have got a
Ballaji
lot
Sheth,
of
who served as
confidence
the
by
commander-in-chief of the
completing the
Maratha army
course.
under the Peshwa.
I have made this real life application by using just simple coding languages, not using complex coding languages, and you can also do it